You will create a file under the import CSS that is called style1.css file. Style1.css file. Style1.css file and a file called one more file we will create called animation1.html. Two files you create, style1.css and then animation1.html. Two files you create, style1.css and animation1.html. Both are in which folder? Import CSS folder. Both are under the import CSS folder. Style1.css and animation1.css file both are under the import CSS folder. Now we will go to the code part. Under the animation file, HTML we can open close and we'll follow the head section. In head section, you can follow the link rel equal to style set and href equal to that file name style1.css. Style1.css file you are calling in which file? In animation1.html file. The style1.css file you call under the animation1.html file. Come down, follow the body tag. In body tag, you can write h1 css3 animation css3 animation example. Come down below, use a section tag, and for section tag you can write css3 animation example. For this section you can write id equal to banner. id equal to banner. Okay, hope written. Now in this file, home file, animation file, you will not write any CSS because CSS we have created a separate file, that is a style1.css file. We will go to the style1.css file. Section ID equal to banner we have written. Go to the style1.css file. In a style1.css file, hope HTML part is ready. Now inside CSS file we will write a style1.css file as banner, height of the banner is 300 px, background of the banner by default orange color. Inside the banner text align should be center, font size 50 pixel, more than that also we can do 70 pixel. After that, font size, color background of the banner orange color, text align in the center, font size 70 px. After that, font weight bold. Then after that, padding from top 150 pixel. Padding from top 150 pixel. Next, after that, check your home in the animation file, how that look. You can run directly animation file. Something like this will appear. Check in browser, any kind of color combination appear, orange color. This is the CSS for banner. Now what we want to apply the animation in that. So let's do some changes for the body. For body, you can write text align center or maybe body margin 0 px, no any gap from any side. And after that, the content of, okay, next after that, one h1 we have written. Let's write the CSS for h1 also as a text hyphen align colon center. So it should come in the middle, and font hyphen size for h1 is 80 px. 80 px. So for h1 as well as for body. So for h1, this become very big font size. And you can see now body tag is not leaving anything here in the left side. No any gap in the right side. It's covering this banner covering. How much total full width? You can write next animation where you can change the content of banner, text of banner dynamically based on some time. So right here a comment, write a comment called animation start here. Animation start here. Next, after that, how you will write the animation? You will write the animation like this, @ keyframes. It is the reserved keyword. Using this keyword, you will create a animation. Keyframes, @ keyframes. Keyframes used to create a animation. After that, you have to write the name of the animation. Suppose you will write animation called my banner. My banner. Then curly bracket open close. Now this my banner, you will copy from here. So add this first. My banner is like the ID. How you create the ID? How you create the class? Similar way, we created the animation. Animation name we given called my banner. You can write ABCD anything. Now after writing this, come down below. Call here animation. Animation colon name of the animation. Next, after that, what you want to do in this animation. So in this animation, we can write here. Okay, so just create animation and connect the animation here. So with the banner, we connected with the animation called what animation? My banner. Now, how long this animation should happen? So for that, you have to give the duration here. Animation hyphen duration. Animation hyphen duration. Okay. Animation hyphen duration, suppose 10 second, 10s. So when this animation will call, it will be for the 10 second. When this animation will call, we set animation equivalent my banner. So my banner becomes the animation, and then animation hyphen duration, how long? 10 second. In that 10 second, what you want to do, we can change the color twice, thrice. So suppose that 10 second, 25% of 10 second time will get finished. Then you will change the background. You will change the background as a blue. You will change the background as a mother color, pink color. Background as a pink color. Next, after that, when the 50% time will get finished, 50% time will get finished. When the 50% time will get finished of 10 second, then background we keep as a some other color, purple color. And when 75% of 10 second will get finished, 75% of 10 second will get finished, change the background, call as a something dark blue color. So total duration is how long? 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, we are changing the background 3 times. When 25% time of 10 seconds will get over, then background will be pink. 50% of 10 seconds will get finished, then background will be called purple. Then when the 75% time will get finished, the background will become dark blue. When 100% will finish, then it will go to the original as a orange color. When 50% will be finished, it will go to the original okay. Hope ready. Now save it and come to the browser and check now animation is applying or not. Color will change pink, dark purple, dark blue, and again it will go to the original as a orange. We have not given the loop still. We have to give the loop how many times it should happen. Check now once happening or not. Now go down right here, animation hyphen iteration hyphen count. Animation iteration count. Animation iteration count. How many times? Infinite. You can add 5, 10, 20, 30. Along with that, there is option called infinite. 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 Infinite will be continuous till the page is open. It will keep going. Till the page is open, it will keep going. Okay, hope ready. Save now. It will keep going on. It will not stop. It will be just like an infinite loop. If we change the duration, it will happen fast. 10 seconds we are given. Change to 5 seconds. You will see animation will run fast. It will become little more fast. Right? So that. Now during the time when the background is changing, you can change the text also, color. So let's go here. Background is pink. Then color keep as a green. When the background is purple, color text color change to white. When the background is dark blue, change the color to yellow. Then check once. Okay. Working animation. Check now. Text also should change. Green, white, yellow, black. It will keep changing automatically. It's infinite loop. Till the page is open, it will keep running. Till the page is open, it will keep running automatically. Let me show you the code again. Try this two section, or I can share the code also in chat. Both the codes are in your chat window. You can take it if required. Okay, hope ready, working, anyone? We will go for the next example where animation we will create of image. Here the background text is background color is changing. Next example, we will keep the photo. Background will be photo and photo will keep changing based on time interval, whatever we will set. So create next file, style2.css. Create next file, style2.css and animation2.html. Two files you can create, style2.css and animation2.html. Two files you created, style2.css style2.css and one more file, animation2.html. Animation2.html. Style2.css and animation2.html. Style2.css, animation2.html. Now take the HTML code from the animation one. HTML code will be same. HTML code you can add the same from the animation one. Copy from animation one, paste into animation2.html file. and change here the CSS file as a style2.css. Style2.css. Hope you follow. Style2.css file. Style2.css file. We are connecting under the animation 2. Now, a style1 code you will paste under the style2. CSS code also almost same. Minor changes will happen. A style2 will be the copy of a style1. A style2 will be the copy of a style1. Style2 will be the copy of style1. The style2 is the copy of style1. Hope you have done it. Check now. Animation2 file is working or not. Animation2.html should work as animation1 because the CSS code everything is same as of now. CSS code HTML same as of now. Animation2 is the copy of animation1. Style2 is the copy of style1. Right? Style2 is the copy of style1. Animation2 is the copy of animation1. In this style2 file, background should be the page. You can see style animation2 is running. This animation is coming from the style2. So how to change the background to image? The background is coming as of now as a color is coming. It should convert into image. So for that, go to the style2.css file and background we have written here. Background colon what we are written? Orange. It has to change background hyphen image. Background hyphen image. Background hyphen image. You will follow here called URL. Background hyphen image colon URL. In that you will write any photo name that is available in your folder. Suppose for example 1.jpg I will write here. 1.jpg is available in my folder, current folder. So background image for this banner section, the section tag we have used with the ID called banner. For that background will become 1.jpg. Background will become 1.jpg. Background.jpg, background will become 1.jpg. So ready? Next below, you have to set the height and width for the image. So for that, we have a property called background hyphen size. Background size. In that, first number will set the height 100%. 100% height. So what will be the 100% of the height? Total height how much given? 300. Padding how much? 150. So 450 will be the total height. So this background hyphen size 100% we have written. That meaning it is going to represent 450. How 450? Because 300 is the height and 150 is the padding. So that becomes a total 450. So here we are writing background hyphen size First number will represent the height and second number will represent the width. So height, full height and full width. 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 Next, after that, animation and all, let it be same. In animation, no changes because only background we have to change. Background, image, and background size. Now look up. You have another banner. My banner is a animation. In that we are given background pink, purple, dark blue. So those also should get replaced by background hyphen image. So we will change here background hyphen image. Okay, what should be the image? URL function we have to call here, and with the help of URL function, we can pass here 2.jpg. 2.jpg. Below again we can call background hyphen image. We can pass the URL and we can pass here 3.jpg. 3.jpg. Then again background hyphen image, URL, .jpg. Okay, so background hyphen image, URL 2.jpg. By default, once the page will load, 1.jpg will come. After 25 seconds of after 25% time of 5 second, means after 1.25 second, 2.jpg will come. After 2.5 second, 3.jpg will come. After 75% of 5 second, 4.jpg will come. And once this is 4 photo is loaded, then again it will go to the original one. Will go to the first photo. So this cycle will keep running continuous. How many times? Total infinite times. Check once. Run the animation 2.html. Your photo should work properly. Save now animation to photo will come and photo will keep change also. If the photo is available in the folder, it will change. Photo you have in folder, photo will be there, then it will change automatically. So this becomes a animation. In that animation, you have to remember only 3 lines here. What should be the name of the animation? What should be the duration of animation? And what should be the, you can say, total number of iteration, how many times it has to call. Either number you can give 10, 20, 30, or you can give as a infinite. Check now, hope should work for everyone. Okay, next file will create that will be related to transition. We have made studies, some more we can add transition and media query. Transition and media query both will add in one file. Create next file. Give the file name called media query.html. Media hyphen query dot html, one file, and one more file, media query.css, or maybe you can write media also, or maybe you can write a style also directly. Better write a style3.css, style3.css. Okay, style3.css, media query dot. Now come to the media query file. Sorry, style3.css file for body tag. For body tag, write a background property called sky blue. Write a background property called sky blue. Sky blue. Sky blue. Now come to the media query.html file. In media query.html file, we will import that page. Style3.css file. Style3.css file, you will be HTML head, then body. Now under the head section, you will open the style tag and you will follow the style tag and you will write @import space URL. This is called import CSS. You will call the same style3 file. You will call the same style3.css file, but using which method? Using import method. If you use the link rel, then it's become as a external CSS. If you use import space URL, inside if you give the file name, this become as a import CSS. Difference is of only one line. If you follow this line, suppose if I write this line, If I write this line style3.css, then this is called as a import method. This will be called as a import method. Import method. But if you follow this method, style open, style close, @import space URL style3.css, then it is called as a import method. Both methods are used to call a separate file in separate HTML file. Both methods used to call the separate CSS file in HTML file. The separate CSS file we have, external CSS file we have, we are calling. You can call through the link method also. You can call through the import method also. Coming down, we can use the body tag, save the file, check once sky blue is coming or not. Save the file, check once the page should show sky blue. Sky blue should appear. Media query page, sky blue is coming. If I go and run like this, we can see the background is a sky blue. Sky blue. So which method is happen? Is happening using import CSS. How to call import CSS? @import space URL style file.css. File name.css. Next, after that, you can go to that style.css file, style3.css file. Okay, go to the style3.css file. Now there we have to write the media query. One line you can write here h3. In the h3 you can write css3 media query query sample example. Now write in a paragraph what is the use of this media query. Media query used to find the user computer screen width in px. Media query used to find the user computer screen width in pixel. Okay. Media query used to find the user computer screen width in pixel. Screen width in pixel. Suppose I will open a website. In the website, if the people have used if the developer has used the CSS code media query, then with the help of the media query, the website will find what is the screen size of my computer. Like suppose if I open the page, let's take example of our info campus page. If I open here, in info campus page, media queries are used. So based on my screen size, the content will get rearranged. You can see as of now, contents are coming big size. If I go here, I reduce the window size, you can find some content will be rearranged. That happen with the help of media query. So now that website is able to find out my screen size. What is the width of my screen? What is the window size of my screen? Okay. Next, after this, here what we wrote, media query used to find the user computer screen width in pixel. Next line we can write. Now, based on user computer screen width, based on user computer screen width, a developer can rearrange the contents of web page. What is that line? It line says like, suppose you have opened a website and if the developer, if the code understood, yes, this is the screen, each big size screen, a small size screen, medium size screen. Now based on that screen size, the developer can write the code inside. If a screen size is more than 800 pixel width, then in one line display 4 block. If a screen size is less than 800 pixel, then in one line display only 2 block. Those kind of condition we are going to write through the media query. Come to that style3.css file. If you write some line, you will come to know about this, what definition we are written 1 or 2 line. So using media query, we are going to find out the screen size, user computer screen size. And if you find the user computer screen size, then based on that, we can rearrange the content of the screen. So how that will happen? Go to this file. By default, screen size, by default, screen is sky blue, correct? By default is screen is sky blue. Now, if a user will open the same page in a small screen, something like this, maybe smaller than this also, or maybe up to here also. The background should be different. As of now, background is same. Here also background is same. So we will test whether media query is working or not while changing the background color. So go here and write inside this. What we will write is @ media space screen and @ media space screen and minimum width. Minimum width minimum width 1 pixel and max hyphen width 600 px 600 px Okay, so we wrote at the rate media screen and. Okay, so this is complete syntax we have to remember. Media screen and. Next, after that, SCREEN screen and minimum width we are giving 1 pixel range and maximum width we are giving 600 pixel range. Okay, then if anyone screen size is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, then for body tag, the background will be some different color, orange color. The background will be orange color. Check once. If the body, not body, if user computer window size, browser how is resizing? If the browser window is between 1 pixel to 600 pixel, then background should be which color? Orange color. Body background should be orange color. I will check once. See here, orange happen. If I go more than 600, it will become a sky blue. 1 to 600 will be orange color. I will share this two line. So it came to your chat. Check once. Okay, got working? Before and after and space is required everywhere. And after writing, refresh the page, go here and minimize the window up to 600. Should be between 1 to 600 range. Let me know in the chat. Working for anyone? You can give any range. Now 1 is working, 1 to 600. I've shared the code in chat. If not able to write, you can copy that. Code, complete code is available. Next, after that, write another condition. If user will open in more than 600 sites, same thing, copy and paste here, right there. If a screen size is 601 to assume call 900. Okay, 601 to 900. Then what should happen? The background should be different color. If a screen size is more than okay, so where to where? 601 to 900. or maybe 601 to 800 you can create. Background should be different color, pink color, or maybe blue color, and color should be white color. Six hundred one to 800. 1 to 600, which color? Orange. 601 to 800, blue, and color as a white. See here. Once you increase more than 600, blue should happen, color should convert into white. This is called media query. Okay, we can make many more things on that. Just check once. Now 801 to 1000 pixel, you can write another condition. 801 to 1000 pixel, you can write another condition. Okay. Yes, hello. No, खत्म था? हाँ? कौन किए थे? वो आता है इसमें कोविड वाला जो सर्टिफिकेट देता है, तो उससे आता है बेनिफिशियरी आईडी, तो टिकट पूछा जाता है, लाइसेंस वो ज़्यादा मोटी ज़्यादा तो है, तो कैसे बस Okay, so we have written where to where 800 px to 1000 pixel. Color you can change, green color, green and white. Now page is only one, but it will work for three type of devices. One is very small, mobile phone. Second is medium device, 800, 600, 1 to 800 tab, you can say. Third is 800, 1 to 1000, you can say mini laptop. And after that, after 1000 pixel, by default is here. This is the default. Default in the sense more than 1000 pixel. If anyone will open your page in more than 1000 pixel screen size, if anyone will open the page in the more than 1000 pixel screen size, then background color will be sky blue. Background will be sky blue. Background will be sky blue. Up to 1000 pixel range you have given. Under each range, the color will be different. After 1000 pixel, the background will be sky blue. Less than 1000 pixel, three conditions we are given here. First condition, second condition, and then third condition. Now let me check once. First condition, orange color. Second condition, blue color. Third condition, green color. And fourth condition, that is the default one. More than 1000 pixel, sky blue, green. So if user will open same page in different type of device, they will get different experience. They will get different color combination. Okay, so hope it work. This is called CSS media query. Working? Okay, then we'll work some more next day on this one. Which one? On media query. Media query plus some more feature we have. That is on Monday and Monday and Tuesday. From 10th we have this one called JavaScript. Tomorrow you have to join for the bootstrap class. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, Sunday will be the bootstrap. This Saturday, Sunday, again after that, next Saturday, Sunday, again next Saturday, Sunday. Nearly 6 classes are required for the bootstrap. So we are going to join tomorrow, day after tomorrow, again next Saturday, Sunday, again 2021. So this will be the Saturday, Sunday will be the bootstrap. And here Monday to Friday you have JavaScript. Okay, so tomorrow that will update you, maybe not 7 o'clock, from 8 o'clock, 8:30 onwards, or maybe little late, you can try joining. Okay, so hope you will be available tomorrow, right?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Can you show me where to go for assignment, sir? Assignment कहाँ से करना थोड़ा दिखाएंगे सर आप?
Which one assignment?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I joined late, so
I'm asking you want to access the assignment.
After 2 weeks I joined, sir.
Can you listen me? I'm asking you want to see the assignment part.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's what, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in website, where I should be? Where I should
open Info Campus website.
Yes, sir. I have opened, sir. I have opened, sir.
Go to the last tab. Last tab will be written called here. In the last tab, there is a LMS. Placement is there. In placement, there is called LMS.
Yes, sir. LMS management system, sir. Learning management system.
Yes, click on that. Click on LMS.
Yes, sir.
After that, you register here. You have to register in this.
Sir, I have registered, sir, but it is not saying here. It is not, sorry. Oops, you have not. You should give the number which you are registered in Info Campus, but it is not taking,
Which
sir.
number you have given in Info Campus?
So same number which I have given, sir. That only I have given, sir. So that is, it is not
Wait, I
taking.
will check. Mm. Tell me which number you have given.
8277
Hmm.
35
Hmm.
92
Hmm.
62.
62.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 62 plus. Okay, I 162 and one more is added called 1 621. Okay, 621 is added in the last. You have
8277.
your number is correct only. Enter the 11
Yes, sir.
digit. Add one more number that is called digit 1 in the last. 82. Go here. Enter this number. What's the number? 8277.
Yes, sir.
8277. Okay.
35.
After that,
Yes, sir.
8277. After that, 35.
Yes, sir.
35. After that,
92 62.
9262.
Yes, sir.
And enter one more number. College 1. That is the number is added here.
Yes, sir.
Because your number look like twice in the application, so they have given one more digit as a 1. Now register
sir.
using this number.
Yes, sir.
Now register now.
Yes, sir. Sir, still it is saying, sorry, mobile number not found. The service is only for Info Campus students.
Which number you tried?
8277, sir.
Last what we have given?
And first of all, I came for the institute, sir. I gave one more number. I will do it that with that number, sir.
You should listen me, right? I
Yes,
should,
sir.
while registering, enter this number as a mobile number.
Yes, sir.
I sent you in a chat. The number I have sent in the chat, enter that number while doing the registration.